not get enough good sleep, you are likely to gain weight even after following all other weight loss tips. 1. Eat something healthy in dinner. Eating foods rich in amino acid tryptophan will help you to reduce stress hormones in your body causing weight gain. You can eat grilled chicken, turkey and cottage cheese before sleep. 2. Avoid fried and sugary food. This type of food will increase the intake of calories and you won't have time to burn them off. You will also gain more fat cells. Make it a rule not to consume sugary and fried foods before your bedtime. Sugar and starch are the main cause for stimulating the insulin secretion. 3. Workout. Doing some exercises before bedtime will help you to lose weight fast. Do some cardio exercises, push-ups, pull-ups and body weight squats. Try going for a short walk of at least 15 to 20 minutes. Walk quickly and remember to breathe deeply. 4. Have a cup of tea. Have a cup of rooibos tea before going to bed. Research has shown that rooibos tea reduces stress hormones and fat storage, especially in the belly. Other teas you could include before bedtime are chamomile, oolong and green tea. 5. Head to bed early. Going to bed earlier to get more hours of sleep can actually increase the hormones that control appetite, which will make people less likely to eat unhealthily during the day. If you do not get enough good sleep, you are likely to gain weight even after following all other weight loss tips.